Hello. In today's video, we will introduce you a pet door installation. Let your pet choose when it's bathroom time or time to play with dog doors. Do-it-yourself installation is possible for exterior or interior doors made of wood, PVC, or metal. But first, we need to measure our dog to determine the size of the dog door, as shown in the table. And now, let's take a look at the installation demo from PetSafe. Let's see what we need to install the door. First we need to have hand skills, some home tools, and a plan, which is included with the purchase of the product. We hope that we have provided you with enough information, but for more, please visit the links below. We invite you to watch more our videos about doors for pets. Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoyed it.